Yeah, so my country people, I throw away salute. I beg if you know say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Arsenal 2 and Tottenham Hotspur 2. We get Oga Obed, we be Ogbonge person, Ogbonge Arsenal fan, make can tell us about how you see this game. Oga Obed, the North London derby don't end for draw soup. How you see this performance from your team today?
Generally, we're expecting more. Okay, we'd expect more drama for the team, but normally, I thought that today first, and I say I'm as a very proud person when they like listen to person own because from his team selection, it was not really nice at all. Why you go there? Where you get someone like Nelson? They still say in case I don't, not they really they perform well, even when the match don't go. Why not remove Nketiah, leave Jesus, then put Nelson? Then at least Jesus a bit old ball, forget one or two bites, but it was trash. Then removing Fabio was a very big mistake for Arsenal.
So you not supposed to come out Fabio Vieira.
No, now in the mark now. So when you come out, Odegaard come fall in deep, Odegaard come the mark. So you know for Arsenal, once you Odegaard, creativity now don't come off Arsenal. So the derby shall not be like the way we expect them to be, but we move.
At all, you still carry 1 point come out.
Normally.
So talking about Odegaard, how you see performance for this match?
Odegaard now pro normally now. I will just say he needs help. Odegaard need midfielders where go dey help and dey mark. Then go dey do all those in wicked passes. He's the most creative midfielder in Premier League, no doubt. But today was just restrained because of one or two issues. But make Arteta try dey humble. He go help am normally.
So to you, this draw today, who if you want blame one person, now Mikel Arteta you go blame.
Arteta, straight up.
So I want to ask you about one senior player we come inside the game, Jorginho, and it be like say when he enter the game, it be like say things just dabaru for him, things not just they go well for him. How you see this Jorginho second half performance?
In the match rusty now, Jorginho na a very good player normally. Just what happened to Jorginho, what if happen to anybody for a match normally. It was just a little bit match rusty and he age through the tell on that if he's supposed to get on that young life for the flank the mark. But generally, I'm not going really to blame him. I'm not really to blame him. I would think a mistake would happen to everybody normally. But we move as at the top normally.
So as an Arsenal fan, Oga Obed, how you see this competition between Aaron Ramsdale and David Raya where they go on for the club right now?
It's very obvious now. It's very obvious that Raya and I be Arteta man. Raya sabi play beat from the back. What's in this guy like? What's in coach like? But if I be Ramsdale, I go chill, sha. I go chill now because competition's plenty. So now you got everything I get to talk about. Thank you very much.
So to you, Ramsdale or Raya, pick your own.
Raya now, 100%. Raya every time.
So you support Raya?
Yes.
So I want to ask you about that Arsenal striking position now. We still waiting to happen. I don't interact with some other Arsenal fans. Some Arsenal fans, they talk about some other striker. Say the club needs to go inside market for January. Bring in one striker, come. Some people, you don't even call the name before I call the name. How you see this talk about Arsenal to get another striker? It may be in Avantoni, maybe not be Avantoni. To you support that talk?
Yes, I support that. We need a goal poacher. Like person that's a bit score goal. Not be all Gabriel Jesus they try. Get yourself must give him kudos. They try. But we need someone that is a born scorer, like Infantoni. Yes, Infantoni, 100%.
Infantoni. You don't already see
Infantoni.
So Arsenal next game now against Brentford for Carabao Cup. How you see that game as Arsenal fan?
That game, and they say well, Arsenal go lose because Arteta go make some kind of very wrong decisions. But I be die as Arsenal fan. I pray we win. Make him select because competition's full. Our squad depth it did not buy well. Honestly speaking, it did not buy well. They made a change our diet because they affect our players. And they didn't say Gabriel Jesus don't fat. Small thing they give them injury these days. Made our physio made them work on them well. And I believe say we go do all right last.
Score prediction for that game?
3-1 Arsenal.
3-1 Arsenal. Yes. So talking about say Arsenal not buy well, I want to ask you about one person. Kai Havertz, so far that 65 million are waste or not be waste?
I dey go out so I know Kai Havertz.
Answer the question before you go out.
I'm not going to talk about Kai Havertz. But let us still give him time, shall we? Time.
But what you don't see so far, that money go be waste if you want predict or
right
how you
now
see
na bad market right now. But let's see what happens in the future.
All right, now, Oga Obed, thank you for your time.